Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will see what are the different types of data types we are having in JavaScript. So we are having string data type. Now, how the string data type we can declare? You need not to uh, define string data type or integer, number, etc. So everything will be automatically assigned to the variable. So it depends if you put a variable in double quotes or single quote, it will be automatically string. If it is a number, whether it's a fractional number or a complete real number. So in that case, it is number type, right? Boolean true or false. If you want to define something null, then it is null. You need to, if you give one variable equals to null, so it means it is representing nothing. So that data type is null. Undefined means it is not defined. And some symbol, so you can use symbol and big integer type. So if you are assigning the value which is very big number, then you can basically assign this value. It automatically turns into the big integer. So these primitive data types are immutable, means you just need to reassign. The old value will be overwritten with the new value. But there is a reference type where we are having object. Object is nothing, but it is a key value pair. Like in the last lecture, we have seen there is a user object type, which is constant, and it was having name and its value. You can also define the array. Array is basically sequential uh, storage in the memory where you can store the elements of different types, right? Or same type, right? Like, for example, here it is written 1, 2, 3, all integers. Now, you can also define the functions. You can also define the date. You can also define the class instances. So these all are the reference type, and which can be mutable. Mutable means these values can be changed. Uh, and for example, in last lecture, I have shown you name equals to John, and then after that, I changed the name to Doe. So both uh, in both the cases, name property was same, but the value was changed. Okay, so that's why it is called mutable. We can also define the object-oriented programming in JavaScript, where it uses the OOPS concept like objects, constructor, functions, and classes. Okay, so we'll see some examples one by one for this in our next lecture. Till then, bye-bye.